Hi, this is the installation of the ergonomic chairs model SM003A. First, chair caster installation. Step 2. Put the gas lift in. And then lift the seat and put it on the gas lift. Step 3. Chair armrest installation. Insert the armrest. Tighten the screw. Install the screws cover. Step 4. Seatbelt installation. Lock in on the seat frame. Tighten the screws down with the inner two first. Last step is installing the headrest. Sliding it on from the side of the chair to the middle. Insert the backrest and fasten the screws. The assembly is complete.